Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we go to learn Indian states and capital and also union territories and their capital. Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Italnagar, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Imphal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Aizawl, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, West Bengal, Kolkata. Union Territories, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Port Blair, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman, Delhi, Ladakh, Leh, Lakshadweep, Kavarati, Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar in summer, Jammu in winter, Puducherry, Pondicherry,